Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the coolest, most futuristic ways to make money online. If you're ready to learn how to use AI to grow your affiliate marketing business and make bank, then buckle up. This video is for you. AI is taking the world by storm, and today we're going to show you exactly how to harness its power to crush it with affiliate marketing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use AI tools to find profitable affiliate products, write killer content, automate tasks, and more. Oh, and we might have some fun along the way, so hit that like button and let's dive in. First things first, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission. That's it. No need to create your own products, no customer support. It's all about promoting and earning. Easy, right? But what if I told you AI can help make this even easier? Spoiler, it totally can. Let me paint a picture for you. You're sitting at your computer thinking, how do I find affiliate products to promote? What content should I write? How do I stand out in the sea of affiliate marketers? Enter AI, the superhero we didn't know we needed, and yet here we are. With AI, you can automate the most time-consuming parts of affiliate marketing, from product research to content creation to traffic generation. Let's break down how you can use AI step by step to make more money faster. Okay, step one in any affiliate marketing journey, finding the right product to promote. This can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not anymore, thanks to AI. There are awesome tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and even AI-powered affiliate networks that do the research for you. Without AI, you'd be clicking through hundreds of affiliate marketplaces, pulling your hair out, trying to guess what's going to sell. But with AI, it's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what people are buying and what's trending. Here's how it works. AI tools to analyze trends. AI tools like BuzzSumo or Ahrefs track real-time search trends and show you which products are hot right now. You can even use Google Trends paired with some AI magic to see the rising stars in different niches. It's like knowing what the hottest holiday gift will be before anyone else does. AI affiliate networks. There are networks out there using AI to match you with the perfect affiliate products for your audience. Think of it like online dating, but for affiliate marketing. Swipe right on the perfect match and boom, you're in business. Now that you've found the perfect product, you need to promote it. And what's the best way to do that? Content. Whether it's blog posts, product reviews, email newsletters, or even social media posts, great content drives clicks and clicks drive commissions, but who has time to sit and write all day? That's where AI comes in again. And let me tell you, AI writing tools are a game changer. Gone are the days of staring at a blank screen, waiting for inspiration to hit like an Amazon Prime package. Let's welcome AI writing tools like Jasper, ChatGPT, and Copy.ai to the stage. These tools can whip up blog posts, catchy product descriptions, and SEO-optimized reviews in minutes. You can input a few keywords and they'll generate content that not only reads well but converts like crazy. Here's a simple example. Create an outline. Let's say you're promoting a fitness product. You input best fitness gadgets of 2024 and AI will churn out a perfectly structured outline faster than you can sip your coffee. Write entire blog posts. Want to go deeper? AI can write the entire blog post for you. Product descriptions, pros and cons, buying guides, all done automatically. You just edit and tweak if needed. Talk about saving time, create social media content. Want to promote your affiliate links on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook? AI can generate social captions that are fun, engaging, and most importantly, clickable. All right, now that we've got products to promote and content to share, how do we get people to actually click on our affiliate links? This is where traffic generation comes in, and AI can make this a breeze too. SEO optimization made easy. Remember those writing tools I mentioned? Well, many of them have SEO features built in. AI tools like Surfer SEO can help you write content that ranks higher on Google, meaning more traffic without spending a dime on ads. AI-powered ad campaigns. For those of you willing to spend a little on ads, AI can take your Facebook or Google ads to the next level. Tools like AdCreative.ai can create optimized ads based on what's working in real time. And platforms like Google Ads are already using AI to help you target the right audience. Email marketing automation. Email marketing is a must in affiliate marketing, and AI tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit can automate your campaigns. Not only will AI write the email copy for you, but it'll also segment your audience and send out perfectly timed messages that drive clicks and sales. What's the best thing about using AI for affiliate marketing? Automation. Imagine being able to sit back, relax, and watch your affiliate commissions roll in while AI takes care of everything in the background. It's like having your own little army of virtual assistants working 24/7. Let's look at how you can automate almost everything in affiliate marketing. Chatbots for customer interaction. AI chatbots like ManyChat can handle customer queries, promote your affiliate products, and drive conversions even while you're sleeping. Content scheduling tools. Platforms like Buffer and Hootsuite can schedule and auto-publish your AI-generated content across multiple platforms. Social media, done. Blog posts, done. All while you're binge-watching your favorite show. Tracking and analytics. AI-powered tools like Hotjar or Google Analytics can track user behavior and help you understand what's working and what's not. Then guess what? AI can optimize your campaigns based on those insights, improving your results over time. AI plus affiliate marketing equals big money. And there you have it, folks. With the power of AI, affiliate marketing has never been easier or more fun. From finding profitable products to creating high-converting content and automating the entire process, AI is your secret weapon. But remember, the real magic happens when you put this information into action. So what are you waiting for? Start using AI to supercharge your affiliate marketing game today and watch your earnings soar. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more ways to make money online. Comment below with your favorite AI tool and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, stay savvy, stay awesome, and keep making that money online.